Hi my loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a Daily Look box try on haul for July. Yeah, for July. So if you're not familiar with Daily Look, I'm going to go ahead and leave all of my other videos down below that I've done. But basically it's a subscription service where you get a personal stylist to pick out items for you that they think you will like based on your survey that you take. So you put in the stuff that you like, the colors, the fit, the type of clothes that you like to wear, your kind of vibe. They send them out to you in a box that looks just like this, and then you get to try on all of the pieces at home. And then oh, I just realized I've got makeup on. I'll try and be really careful. I always recommend trying all the pieces on when you don't have makeup or fresh self tan, just because you don't want to be getting makeup on, because if the pieces that you try on and then you get makeup on and then you don't like them, then you'd have to pay for them because you got them dirty. So I always recommend doing it without makeup on, or be super duper careful, but just don't risk it. Today I'm gonna risk it for you guys because I'm a rebel like that. So you can do it monthly, you can do it bi-monthly, or you can get it every 3 months. There is a styling service fee. You can buy one thing, you can buy all of it, you can buy nothing. That's completely up to you. It just depends on whether you like the items or not. I got 10 items in my box. Usually I think it's around like 8 or 10 items that they send out, and then you can try them on, and then you just package up whatever you don't want. They give you either, you can put it back in the box or a baggie. They give you a return little, you know, postage sticker, and then you just take it to your post office. It's super easy. You also get free shipping and free returns, and it only ships within the US. So unfortunately, if you are Canada or UK, it won't ship to you, but it does ship within the US. What I love about it is that you do get a preview, and I think it's 24 hours. You get a chance to view what they've chosen for you, and then you can swap out. I think you can just say, I don't like this, and then they'll give you something else in return to try out, but I don't think you get to choose. No, you don't get to choose, you just get to say, I don't want this, please change it out for something else. So I think that's all the information that you need. Let's go ahead and try it all on, and then you guys can decide what pieces you like the best. Leave a comment down below. What was your favorite items? And then of course at the end I will show you guys what I ended up keeping. And I noticed that the price point of these items is when you say like whether or not you liked the items, you like when you check out, you get to tell them like, if was it too expensive, was the color wrong, like what was it that you didn't like about it. And so I always make sure that I say like, oh, it was too pricey, because at first I started getting like really expensive things, and then I kept on saying like, no, that was too much, that was too much. So I've noticed that my price point in this one is really good. Oh, almost forgot, I do have a coupon code. I'll leave it right here. Okay, now we can get started. Let's go. Okay, so the first item is this shirt, this little t-shirt. It is so cute with this little detailing right here. I love that, how it has a strap, but then it has a little ruffle. It's like a nice low kind of v-neck. It does come down quite long, which I love because it's kind of like short and then long and then comes long in the back. I'm definitely gonna be keeping the top. The pants, I don't know if they're the most flattering on me. I feel like they kind of just make my thighs look really big and wide. I think probably because the color, it just is not very slimming. They're feeling really comfortable. Like they're super flowy and cool. The material's really nice. I just don't think that they do me much justice, especially in this area. It's kind of like pooching out a little bit and just making me look like real poked. It's just like, I don't think it's fitting very well. So this is gonna be a no-go, but this shirt is definitely a yes go. And then that is what it looks like in the back. It's really cute, isn't it? I love this white top, but you see, like, I don't know about these pants. They're just like not the most flattering. I don't think so. Okay, so next is this little top, which I actually love. It's super cute. It does have little baubles on the bottom here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Look how cute that is. So I love the little ruffles. I love the floral detailing. I think this is really, really pretty. And I think the black is nice because it's pretty slimming. The back of it is also really, really cute because it has like kind of an open back, and then it has just that little string, which is currently a bit too loose, but I could just tie that tighter. So that's really cute. Next we have these jeans. The butt actually looks pretty nice in them. However, I don't like the cut of them on the bottom. They're supposed to be kind of like a boot cut. I just feel like I need more of a flare versus a boot cut. Do you guys see what I mean? It just makes me look really heavy right here because they don't flare out enough at the bottom. It's either it should be skinny or it should be super flared when you're like heavier in the thighs and hips. You can't do in between. It just makes you look like, I don't know. I want to say like mom, but like not in a good way. So it just like, yeah, my legs are not looking slender at all. And they're also a bit too short. So I feel like I like them a little bit longer because it gives me a little bit of length. Yeah, the jeans are a no, but the top is a yes. Okay, so next we have this top, and I don't think it's very flattering on me. It's kind of like that material that looks like it can like stretch apart, you know? Like, what are those called? I'm not sure. It looks okay from the front, but then when you turn to the side, it looks huge. Like it just is not for my body type whatsoever. So I think if you're someone who's a little taller and like less busty, it would be super cute. But on me, it just doesn't look cute. Although I do love this little ruffle. I just wish it wasn't so big in the, like it just looks so like fluffy. And then these jeans are adorable. I love the jeans. These ones are by Just Black. I really have been having good luck with this Just Black line. I got a pair of black ones last box and they were amazing, and I kept them and I love them and I wear them all the time. So I'll definitely be keeping these. These are $98, which I think for a pair of jeans that are amazing, that are comfortable, that look good, that make you look slim, it's worth it. It's all about trying to trick people to make them think you're slimmer than you are. I love the distressed knees. I also love the little fray on the bottom. I think that is super duper cute. But like, look at all of the little frays. They're fabulous. That's what the butt looks like. So see how it lifts and separates? Hi. I love it. It's like so good. Yeah. It's all about lifting and separating, folks. It shows one pair of jeans made me look really bad. And then this pair of jeans is like, oh, hey, how are you? So good. I love it. So I'm definitely keeping these. So next is this little tank top. It's like a little satin cami. I actually really like this piece. I think it's cute. I like the length. I like how it's not too tight around my hips, but I like how it kind of flows down nicely without being too big or like pushing me out a lot. I like how the strap is a little bit thick and how it's like a nice V-neck. I think it's really pretty. It'd be really cute under a blazer, and I do have a navy blazer, which I'll show you in a minute. This does have like a little tie in the back, so I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, it's not tied, but I would need to tie it, and then it just ties across, and then you have like a little bow. So that's kind of cute, right? I think this is nice. Plus, I don't think I own like very many navy things, so I think it's good to have a little bit of navy in your life. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the blazer. The blazer is more of like a boyfriend cut, I think, so I think it's supposed to be a little bit like bigger. I had to roll the sleeves up because my arms are like the size of a Tyrannosaurus Rex, so it was a little bit too long on me. However, I love it. Once I rolled up the sleeves, just wearing it like loose over this little navy camisole and the jeans, and then I just paired it with like some cute little pumps. I think this is a really cute little outfit. Like, I feel cute right now. I would totally wear this like the fall time or the winter even. I think this is a really cute little outfit to like go shopping or like go to a cute little, well, it'd be really great for like a little meeting, but like a dinner or something like that. I think it's really pretty. So I love this. And are these pockets real? The pockets are fake. Bummer. I love real pockets. But yeah, I like it. It's super comfortable. It feels super silky to wear. And it's kind of nice to just have like the looser like fit. I think it's called a boyfriend fit. I'm pretty sure. But how good are these jeans, you guys? When you pop some heels on, winning. And then that is what it looks like from behind. So I feel like it's quite flattering. Like, it just kind of breezes by you, but it makes you look a little bit slim and kind of tall. Plus I have heels on, so that helps. But yes, love the blazer. Okay, so next are these leggings. You guys, these are silky, silky smooth. These are by what's it called? Formative Element. They are so silky, like really, really soft. They're a little bit thinner. They're not like a super full coverage legging, but they are very comfortable and really cute. And this shirt that I'm keeping, the white the white one, is nice because it does come down low. So if you're concerned about the front and the back, it does come and cover that, which is nice. So depending on how much these are, I mean, these are so nice and comfortable. I just love them. I mean, leggings are just the best. Are they showing my underwear through though? Are they looking a little see-through? I can't tell. I can't tell if they're see-through or not because they do feel like quite a sheer, kind of thinner material, but they do lift my butt good. Oh, I might just have to keep these because they make my butt look nice. I have a cardigan too that comes longer, so I'm gonna put that on and show you guys what it looks like as a whole outfit, but these These are really silky. Okay, last but not least is this adorable, so soft, like this is the softest material ever, little long cardigan. It does have pockets that are real, which is exciting. It does have like a little hood, which, oh, it's actually got a really cute design on the hood. Do you see that? That's cute. I like wearing hoods when you're in the airport. Not like I go in the airport very much nowadays, but this is really cute. So look how cute the back of this is. Like even the hood has the little detailing. But isn't that a cute little cardigan? It's so comfortable. It comes down perfectly because it covers your bum if you're wearing leggings. And it has that really pretty detailing. And I don't own anything this color. It's really nice for fall. Now I gotta figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not. Okay, so first what I like to do is I have my no pile. So I'm for sure not keeping the black top because, why is my alarm going off? The pants that made me look really short and heavy are a no. So those are going back in the box. These pants also were not very flattering, so we're gonna say goodbye to those. Then we have our maybe pile. So I'm keeping the cardigan, the jeans, these ones were the just black, and the navy blazer, because that was really great, the leggings, and the white top. When you keep 5 items, you get 50% off of 2 items. So there you go. So that's everything that I got in my daily look box, and that's what I'm keeping. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful. Definitely check the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out yourself. Use that coupon code, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!